And this is our garden. These are some greens. And we have a nice little bed of carrots that have just started. And over here we have some turnips and some beets in a raised bed, which are looking pretty good. This is supposed to be my parsnips, which I'm not sure what happened to my parsnips, but they don't seem to be doing much of anything, so I may have to replant those. Here is some spinach and a couple of cucumbers. Our tomatoes we're watering right now, as you can see, we're flooding them. This is Hope. Trying to sneak by me. With our tomatoes, we planted some basil and some borage. Borage helps attract some bees that will help pollinate the tomatoes. There's some more basil. There are our beans. We have some bush beans and some pole beans that we've yet to put poles up for. Our potatoes. This is some horseradish, because I simply love horseradish, and it's a beautiful plant. If you've never planted horseradish, it's a beautiful plant. Some more potatoes and some more beans. Over here are the beds where we just planted some pinto beans. We're trying pinto beans. We've never done them before. So we're trying some pinto beans in these beds. And more cucumber beds. Squash here. Have some nice squash getting started here. And we have some beautiful cucumbers starting here. And Steve just put the trellis up yesterday, so hopefully before long those cucumbers are going up on the trellis. The tomatoes from a different view. These are my herb plants in my meditation space with my meditation bench. We have way too many peppers, but got carried away. I sent Steve and Kelly to the nursery to get peppers, and they came back with 35 peppers. So we're going to have a lot of peppers. Get a little closer. They're pretty. We actually have some peppers on already. Another herb bed. I will tell you all those different herbs later. These are tomatillos in the cages. There are some onions out there which you may not be able to see yet. And another row of peppers. And you can see it's a little over 80 degrees in our garden right now. Citronella. Some oregano. We love oregano. We eat a lot of spaghetti. So, and some lavender. Just because I love the way lavender smells. A bay tree. And some thyme. And our greens. We have some nice little greens growing this year. So, that's kind of our garden at this point. Oh, wait. No, the corn. I forgot the corn. We have a beautiful stand of corn here. Look, we have several rows of corn coming up. And then there's a row of okra. Then more corn. And more okra. There's my beautiful granddaughter, Hope, who doesn't like to be videoed, but who is getting videoed. And there's our two beautiful German Shepherds. And my beautiful, serene garden bench and meditation place in the middle of the garden. So that's our garden at this point. It's just getting started. We're really excited. Hopefully before long, those plants will be up so you can actually see them.